Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can transfer your website from Wix to Hostinger, or rather your domain. So let's get right into it. Now, if I go into my account settings on Wix and go into my domains, what you will notice is that I don't have any domains to my name at the current moment. This is because I don't have the premium version and I cannot connect an already owned domain to my Wix account, so that is the end of that. However, I will go over some steps on the Hostinger official support forum, so I will be explaining it through this since I cannot show you through my example physically. Now, what you need to do first is unlock your domain by going into your current domain provider's website. In this case, it would be Wix. You just need to go to your settings like so and click on domains, and you'll find your domain over here. Then locate the domain, remove the domain's transfer lock if it has it, and continue with the transfer process, which is like this. You need to first check up before you start the transfer, make sure that you have a certain domain. If pretty much all the world's domains are following this here step program. However, .br, .lt, and .uk domains have other rules and specific guides. You need to have full ownership of your domain. 60 days need to have passed since the domain was registered to the current provider, and the domain needs to be active, and you need to have a valid EPP/auth code from your current registrar, and you need to ensure DNSSEC is disabled. And that is pretty much what you need before you initiate the transfer. To initiate the transfer, once your domain is unlocked, you need to open the Hostinger transfer domain or the transfer domain if you already have an account. Then insert your domain name and click transfer. Then proceed with the payment. Enter the EPP code. You need to choose whether you want to keep your current name servers or use Hostinger's name servers. And then you need to just initiate the transfer, and you'll also have the option to keep your current records if you choose the Hostinger name servers. And that is basically it. Again, I am very sorry that I couldn't show you myself how you can do this because I don't have a domain, I don't have the premium version of Wix, neither do I have Hostinger, and I can't afford to pay for the Hostinger transfer. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.